Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by locking down what you need and why. Choose Xbox Series X for performance versus cheaper options. Once decided, set a firm budget that includes controllers, games, and possible storage upgrades. Make sure your Microsoft account exists, payment card is active, and shipping address is ready so checkout is smooth. Next, compare new versus refurbished units and verify return windows and warranties. This reduces surprises. Finally, enable alerts for restocks so you can act fast when stock appears. Now you hunt stock and secure a purchase. Use multiple retailer accounts, set in site alerts, and follow reliable restock trackers. Once a drop happens, act immediately. Make sure autofill and saved payment details are correct. This shaves crucial seconds at checkout. Evaluate bundles. Sometimes the bundle saves money or adds desired games. If you miss one drop, don't panic. Queue for the next and expand your retailer list. Keep payment limits and bank alerts in mind to avoid declines. Finish by confirming your order details, tracking number, and expected delivery window. This prevents lost packages. When your Xbox arrives, unbox carefully, connect to your TV, and run initial system updates so performance is optimal. Sign into your Microsoft account, enable two-factor authentication, and add Game Pass or subscriptions if purchased. If problems appear, failed charge, delayed shipping, or console not powering, first check order status and card authorization.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.